At last, a solution has been found for this common issue. The engine thermostat does not open, even if it's brand new and original from the dealership. The mechanic failed to solve the problem. I tried every possible solution, but nothing worked. I searched online and found many people facing the same issue, with no real solution. It may seem like a mechanical failure in the thermostat itself, but the real cause is something no one suspects.
The real reason is the heater core, due to the accumulation of sediment and rust inside the cooling system, often a result of using tap water or commercial radiator water without sticking to proper replacement intervals. These deposits build up over time and clog the heater core, which is a critical component of the cooling circuit. This blockage prevents hot coolant from flowing from the top part of the engine to the lower part, where the thermostat is located. As a result, the necessary heat doesn't reach the thermostat, so it doesn't open. It stays closed, as if it has a mechanical fault, causing the upper part of the engine to overheat, while the lower part, where the thermostat is, remains cold.
The solution in this case comes in one of two ways. One, replace the heater core completely, which is extremely difficult because it requires disassembling the dashboard and major parts of the car to access it, due to its complex location. Two, bypass the heater core entirely by rerouting the cooling flow so it no longer passes through the heater core. This is a practical solution, especially in hot climates where in-car heating is not necessary.
By doing this, the cooling circuit will work efficiently and the thermostat will open normally once the correct temperature is reached, protecting the engine from operating under suboptimal conditions. However, neglecting this issue and simply removing the thermostat entirely has serious long-term consequences, such as increased fuel consumption, faster wear of engine components due to excess friction, and the emergence of major breakdowns over time.
In short, a clogged heater core may seem like a minor issue, but it's the hidden reason behind thermostat failure and engine overheating. Knowing this root cause enables us to treat the problem at its source, rather than just masking the symptoms. Thank you.
बस चला